So when it comes to trying to enjoy movement and exercise, I love to get out in the forest and just kind of play. This whole element of quality activeness, quality play, walking around looking out for big rocks or trees to climb, or even just running along the trails. All these things kind of give our body different forms of movement because it all counts as movement. So we can call it non-exercise movement, or like I call it, quality activeness. So yeah, absorb the fresh air, the great oxygen that the trees and the plants are emitting, and of course we're returning the love by giving off carbon dioxide. So it's a symbiotic relationship that we get a chance to get in touch with, which I enjoy. And then you can hear the sound of the birds singing and communicating. All of it's amazing. I love it. It's a great feeling. So as often as I can, I like to get out into the wild and embrace it. And let's see what we can discover. That's what this life is all about, right? It's kind of on to the next little walking step. I mean, I would hope that at this point in my life I don't need a walking stick, but hey, you never know. You might have to fend off there. You gotta have better grip, but you get the idea.